Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable picture-in-picture mode on the YouTube mobile app on Android or iPhone devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up the YouTube app on your device. And once you have it open, you want to select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and select that. Select the gear icon in the top right corner. And then under Account, just scroll down, keep going until you get to Video and Audio Preferences, and select the Playback button on the left side. Where it says Picture in Picture, tapping Home button while watching continues playback in a miniature player on top of other apps. If you want to have that enabled, just toggle it to the right side in here. It should be toggled to the right. It should light up blue. If it looks like this, it means it's turned off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.